Consider the sets A, B and C below. Note that the universal set is the natural numbers from 1 to 20, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and so on. So the set A, I'll just write them up here, is a multiple of 2. So we're going to have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, basically all the even numbers are going to be in here, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. And B is a multiple of 3, so we'll have the 3 times table in here, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, that will be the last one. And C is the set of primes, so we've got 2, we've got 3, 5 would be next, then 7, then 11, 13, 17 and 19, so those are all the primes. So NA is the number of elements in A, so that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. NB is the number of things in B, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And NC is the number of things in C, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We want to find A intersection B. So those are the things that are in both A and B. So if we look at that, we've got 6 is in both of them, 12 is in both, and 18 is in both. So that's going to be 6, 12, and 18. And therefore, the number of things in A and B is 3. So let's move on. So A and C next. So A intersection C. So that's the things that are in both A and C, and that's just going to be 2. So the number of things in A and C is just 1. And then we want B and C. And in B and C, we've just got 3. So the number of things in B and C is also 1. A intersection B intersection C. So things that are in all 3 sets, there aren't any. So A intersection B intersection C is the empty set. So the number of things in A intersection B intersection C, well, that's going to be 0. We now want the union of all 3 sets. So let's have a look at the union. So first of all, that's going to contain all of the things in A. So it's going to have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18 and 20. Then it's going to have also 3, 9 and 15, which are the things we haven't already put in. And then we're going to have, well, we've already got 2 and 3 in there. And then we'll have 5, 7, 11, 13, 17 and 19. Now obviously we should put those in order, but I'm not going to bother with that. So, and I'm also not going to bother copying it down into the other section. But how many things are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. So there are, so N, A union B union C is equal to 19. And we want to verify this relationship. So the number of things in set A, we know that was 10. And then number of things in B was 6, and number of things in C I believe was 8. A and B contained 3 things. A and C was 1, B and C was 1, and the intersection there was 0. So what does that give me? 10 and 6 and 8, so that's going to give me 24. Take away 3, 4, 5, which is equal to 19, which we can see is true.